Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have Paul Anthony Chavez Garcia, 14-year-old. He's in training to mowing a lawn. He did a really good job over here. I failed to take a picture of the before on the length of the grass, but let's do this one here. He is about to take care of this section of the lawn for us, which I have neglected. But he says, "I'm bored, Dad. I want to do something." I said, "Well, let's have fun and go mow the grass." All right, so here we are. Anthony's mowing grass class 101. Anthony, and what we're operating here is an Eco lawnmower. It's a battery charged lawnmower, saving the earth. And here we go. Anthony, crank it up. This particular lawnmower is a double blade. It's set for mulching right now. He has met his challenge. It's okay. He will figure out what to do next. There you go. What a challenging task. I still have my gas lawnmower as a backup, but this lawnmower does fairly well. On the downside to this lawnmower, the battery pretty much goes dead just in the front yard alone. But I guess this lawnmower is designed more for smaller lawns.
Okay.
But for the most part, it does a fairly good job. Right now it's set up at the lowest speed, but it does move pretty fast if we crank the speed a few notches. I forget how many levels of speed this thing has, but it's a decent lawnmower to get this work done in a quickness. But for now, Anthony's learning, and there we go. And there you have it, folks. That's the Eco lawnmower. Or did I say that right? But it's a battery charged lawnmower. And he's wrecking it.